Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to rotate text in Microsoft Word document. Now, here is how we are going to do it. So, say for example, we're working on this document right here. We're going to head over to the insert button right here and choose text box. And then we're going to choose a simple one. So I'm just going to go ahead and drag it here at the bottom. And then let's go ahead and say, for example, copy this one. I'm going to paste it here. Yeah, let's just go ahead and use that as an example for now. Let's go ahead and zoom in a little bit. And from here, the only thing that you are going to do to rotate is by using this one right here. So you can go ahead and basically just turn it from here, just like so. And yeah, that's the easiest way. Now, another thing that you can do is you can head over to shape format right here. And once you've opened the shape format right here, go ahead and click this button right here in the size. And then you have the rotation here. So let's say if you want to rotate this 90 degrees, go ahead and click that or enter 90 there and then hit OK. And as you can see, now it has rotated to 90 degrees. And when you click this one right here, you can go ahead and make changes, and once you click away, it's gonna go back to that original 90 degrees rotation that you've set it to. And yeah, that's the easiest way to rotate text here in Microsoft Word.